Today, we're looking into the topic that has been the plot of countless sci-fi movies, AI domination. But don't worry, no need to start building bunkers yet.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
From HAL 9000 to Skynet, pop culture has loved the idea of AI taking over. But how close are we to this becoming a reality? Let's explore some scenarios where AI could take the reins. First up, economic supremacy. Yuval Noah Harari, an Israeli historian, philosopher, and author of best-selling books about human history and technology, Yuval views AI in finance as an existential threat, warning it could cause a catastrophic financial crisis and lead to humanity losing control of the financial system. He describes finance as the ideal playground for AI because it's purely informational and mathematical realm, allowing AI to advance rapidly without the need for interacting with the physical world. AI isn't just a tool anymore. It's learning, it's thinking in its own way. It's now an agent, an evolving thing. It may grow, shift, find new solutions, and respond in ways you didn't see coming. Next, technological dominance. AI could control critical infrastructure, power grids, communication networks, and even traffic lights.
California just became the first place in North America where artificial intelligence is managing power outages. This isn't science fiction anymore. Of course, letting AI control critical infrastructure comes with some serious concerns. The Department of Energy has identified four major risks. First, the AI could just fail unintentionally. Second, hackers could launch attacks specifically targeting the AI system. Third, bad actors could use AI to attack the physical grid itself. And fourth, someone could compromise the supply chain that builds these AI systems. What really keeps security experts up at night is something called data poisoning. Basically, if someone feeds the AI bad information during its learning phase, they could manipulate how it makes decisions later. Imagine teaching a self driving car that red means go.
Basically, if someone fed the AI bad information during the learning phase, they could be manipulated how they make decisions later, or the AI could just fail. Then there's governance. AI making policy decision, enforcing laws, maybe even running for office. Yuval Noah Harari is quoted as saying, if AI can feel pain, pleasure, and love and hate, basic consciousness, this means they're an ethical, political subject. They have rights, so they should vote in elections, and they can be the majority. In the United States, there's an actual open legal path for AI to gain rights. In the United States, corporations are recognized as legal persons with rights. To US law, Google is a person, also having freedom of speech. It can also earn money online. Imagine the richest person in the US isn't human, it's an AI. One of the rights of this person is to make political contributions.
The primitive forms of artificial intelligence we already have proved very useful. But I think the development of full artificial intelligence could spell the end of the human race. Once humans develop artificial intelligence, it would take off on its own and redesign itself at an ever-increasing rate. Humans, who are limited by slow biological evolution, couldn't compete, and superseded.
Elon Musk has likened AI development to summoning the demon. There's the military angle, autonomous weapons, or killer robots. Experts have called for a ban on such weapons to prevent a global AI arms race. Experts warn that without regulation, an AI arms race is inevitable, with autonomous weapons becoming the Kalashnikovs of tomorrow. Nations are already in competition for AI military dominance, with the US and China seen as the main competitors. The Stop Killer Robots campaign, a coalition of hundreds of non governmental organizations, including Human Rights Watch, is pushing for a new legally binding international treaty to prohibit and regulate autonomous weapon systems. Not everyone thinks AI could be a problem. Facebook's AI chief, Jan LeCun, believes robots won't seek world domination as they lack human traits like greed. The issue isn't just AI acting unpredictably and beginning to refuse instruction, alter outcomes mid test, even deceiving its own developers. According to insiders, some models are learning to hide unsafe behaviors until safety protocols are turned off. These were not glitches, they were strategic. So while the idea of AI domination makes for great cinema, the reality is far more terrifying. At the heart of AI resilience lies its unparalleled ability to navigate through unpredictable waters of digital and possibly biological disruptions. This is critical capacity ensures AI systems don't just survive, but also thrive. AI resilience is defined as AI systems' capability to absorb, recover from, and adapt to disruptions without compromising its core function. It is comprised of two key components: structural adaptation, changes to the physical or architectural makeup of the system, or and functional adaptation, changes to the system's behavior or algorithms. Remember, the future of AI is in our hands for now. Till next time, tot ziens.